How to change your account name on IG Trading. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to change your account name on IG Trading so your profile shows the correct details, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open IG Trading on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. After you're inside the account tab, scroll down and tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down and tap on account name. Go ahead and erase your current name and write down the new one. Once done, click on done at the top right. And then you have successfully changed your account name on IG Trading. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.